Hello students, welcome to class PM. In today's class we are going to learn the solutions to the questions given in the classification of elements and periodic table. In the last class we have seen the reflection on concepts. In today's class we are going to see the answers for the applications of concepts. So in the page number 146 we have given questions. The first question, given below is the electronic configuration of elements A, B, C, D. Okay, there are four elements are given with the symbols A, B, C, D and their electronic configuration. So A is given 1s2, 2s2 and B is given 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and C is given 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and D is given 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, now with this we have to match the right side. We given some statements, we have to match with those statements. Okay, so first identify what are these elements. So first A, it is 1s2, 2s2 is given. So there are 4 electrons, so its atomic number is 4. So which element is atomic number is 4? It is beryllium. Second, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, there are 12 electrons in that, so it is magnesium. Next C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, so there are 15 electrons, so it is phosphorus. Next D, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, there are 10 electrons, that's why it is a neon. So we identified A element is beryllium, B element is magnesium, C element is phosphorus and the D element is neon. Now we need to answer the questions. The first question, which are the elements coming within the same period? Which elements belongs to same period? So here you see we have beryllium, magnesium, phosphorus and neon. So among these four, which will come in the same period? Okay, see it, but just by looking at the valence electronic configuration you can find the belongs to which period. So the valency of A element is 2s2, the valency of B element is 3s2, the valency of C element is 3s2, 3p3 and D element is 2p, 2s2, 2p6. So which of them are having same valency? That is B and C. Say both of them, B and C, both of them are having 3s2, 3, n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. That's why B and C belongs to same period, that is magnesium and phosphorus come in within the same period because their n value is same. So they belongs to which period? That is third period. Next, second question, which are the ones coming within the same group? So to identify the elements in the same group, we need to see their valency electronic configuration again. So which are having same valency electronic configuration? So see here, the element A and B are having same valency electron, ns2, ns2. The last one, the number n value may be same because when period changes n value increases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the valence electronic configuration, common valence electron ns2. So that's why element A, that is beryllium, and element B, that is magnesium, both belongs to the same group. Next, which are the noble gases? The only which is having octet electronic configuration is element D because ns2 np6 is there and it is neon, that's why D element is the only noble gas element. Next, to which group and period does the element C belongs to? So element C, what is that? Element C is phosphorus. Phosphorus belongs to third period and 15th group. It belongs to third period and 15th group. It is easy to find out the period. And the next question, state the number of valency electrons, the group number and the period number of each element given in the following table. Another table is given. So in the table, the first column element name is given. So they are given sulfur, oxygen, magnesium, hydrogen, fluorine and aluminium. So in the second column we have to write the number of valency electrons of that particular element. In the group number we have to write in which group it belongs to, and the period number we have to write which period that particular element belongs to. Let's take one after other. See the first question, first element, that is sulfur. Sulfur atomic number is 16, so its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. There are 6 electrons in its valence shell, so it belongs to the 16th group. just 6 plus 10, that is 16th group it belongs to, and also which period it belongs to. See the valence electronic configuration, that is 3s2 3p4, 3s2 3p4. So n is equal to 3, that's why it belongs to the third period. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So its electronic configuration, if you see 1s2 2s2 2p4. So the number of valence electrons are 2s2 2 electrons, 2p4 2 electrons. So again 6 electrons in its valence shell. So it belongs to which period? Again 6 plus 10, that is 16th group, it belongs to number of electrons, valence electrons plus 10. 6 plus 10, 16th group. And the next, so in its valence shell, what is there? 2s2 2p4, that's why n is equal to, it belongs to second period. Next, magnesium, its atomic number is 12. Write the electronic configuration: 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2, 2p6 3s2. So the valency electrons only 2 in the 3s, that's why it is having valency electrons 2. So its period, which period it belongs to and which group it belongs to. So the number of valence electrons are 2, that's why its group number also 2. And when it comes to the period number, so there is only n is equal to 3s2, that's why it belongs to third period. Next, hydrogen atomic number 1. 1s1 is the electronic configuration, there is only one valence electron, that is 1 in 1s1. So its period number is 1, group number also 1. Fluorine, its atomic number is 9. So 1s2 2s2 fluorine, its atomic number 9, its electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5. So there are 7 electrons in its valence shell, and it belongs to which group? See, number of valence electrons are 7. 10 plus 7, it is 17. So it belongs to the 17th group. And next, period number. So 1s2 2s2 2p5, n is equal to 2, the valency principal shell, that is n is equal to 2, that's why it belongs to the second period. Next question, that is aluminium. So aluminium atomic number is 13. So it belongs to its electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s 2 3p1. There are 3 electrons in its valence shell, and it belongs to which period? 13th group number. 13th is the number of valency. The number of valency electrons are 3. So 10 plus 3, it is 13th group, and n is equal to 3. That's why it belongs to the third period. This is the way we can fill this table. And the next question B. Question B. State whether the following elements belongs to group G, period P, or neither group nor period. Indicate the letters G, P, or N. So, lithium, carbon, oxygen, do they belongs to same period or same group, or not belongs to the same period and group? Okay. Lithium, carbon, oxygen, all of them are the elements of second period. That's why they belongs to same period. Next, magnesium, calcium, barium, they belongs to same group. Bromine, chlorine, fluorine, they belongs to same group. Carbon, sulfur, bromine, they do not belongs to same group or period also. So N you can write. Aluminium, silicon, chlorine, they belongs to same period. Lithium, sodium, potassium, they belongs to same group. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, they belongs to same period. Potassium, calcium, bromine, they belongs to again same period. So which are belongs to same period, you write the letter P. Which are belongs to same group, you write G. And which are not belongs to either same group or same period, you write N. No. Next, third question. Elements in a group generally possess similar properties, but elements along a period have different properties. How do you explain this statement? So, we learn about cause of periodicity. What is cause of periodicity? Cause of periodicity is the valency electrons. Okay, so the elements which are having similar valency electronic configuration are having similar properties. The elements which do not have similar valence electronic configuration are having different properties. So the elements in the groups are having similar valence electronic configuration, that's why they have the similar properties. But when it comes to the periods, they do not have similar valence electronic configuration. That's why they have different properties. Why elements are having similar valence electronic configuration are having similar properties? Because in a change, in a chemical change, the valency electrons are having role, but not inner electrons and the neutrons or protons. That's why only the valency electrons are playing key role in a chemical chain. That's why they will decide the properties of an element.